How to set a strong password in our Windows 10 and 11 both. Welcome to Softechia. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how can we set or create a strong password for our Windows 10 and 11 both easily. So watch this video till end. Now to create password for our Windows, first of all we have to click on here on Windows search box and search for control panel. Instead of finding application anywhere directly, search it in our search box. Then open control panel. Here in the control panel we can see user account setting, and here below in user account setting we can see change account type setting also. So now we have to click on change account type setting, and here we can see our login system account, and we have to click on our system account, and now it will open this another page, and here in this page we can see multiple setting. So look at this side, we can see multiple option or setting here, like as change account name, create password, change account type, etc. Here in this list we have to click on create password setting. Now it will ask to write or create a new password or a strong password. So choose and create a strong password which contains number, symbol, alphabet, and reconfirm that password again in below here. And look at below, here we have to write down password hint, which will hint you if you forget the password, and click below to create password. Now our password is created. So if you got this video informative, then like this video and subscribe this channel.